Hi guys, I am super excited about this video because today we are revealing the numbers from our Soap Sack campaign that we did in April. I'm here with Stacy from Soap Sacks, and she's
Hello.
going to be revealing what numbers were sent into the Soap Sack Foundation. And then I am going to be revealing anyone that filled out that Google form who donated locally. One thing I absolutely loved about this campaign was that you didn't have to ship anything anywhere. If you really wanted to just help your own community, you could. And so you could just take your soap sacks directly to a place in need in your local community. So I'm going to go ahead and have Stacy share her numbers, what were shipped in, then I will share my numbers. And I can't wait to hear because I don't know yet. We're gonna be surprised. We're gonna be surprised and
All right.
go from there. So Stacy, how many soap sacks were actually shipped into you?
All right. Da, 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 da. There you
Oh
go.
my gosh.
1,064. Can you believe it? In a
Oh
month. I mean, that's
wow.
crazy. And
Wow.
so there were 34 separate donations. So that was thrilling from 23 states. Can you believe
I
that? From
love it.
all over the United States. I
All the
mean,
country.
I'm like so excited because in a course of a month to get that many additional ones from your campaign is just incredible. And I could not I send personal thank you, handwritten, don't have the best handwriting, thank you notes, which I do to all my donations, but I definitely did it to yours. And I told everybody that they would be added to the campaign numbers. And I'm just so grateful. I'm so happy. So really, thank you to everybody. You really, it meant so much to me. I hope
Oh,
I expressed that in
oh.
my thank you notes, but if not, I'm saying it now. Thank
Well,
you.
I
Yeah,
can't tell
very
you
cool.
how important those thank you notes are. I had multiple people reach out to me and say, "I got a thank you letter from Soap Sacks." Like they
Yay!
were
Oh my God.
thrilled to have received that. So that actually made a huge impact on them. So
Oh,
thank you
okay.
for doing that. That's
Oh,
very
I mean,
sweet.
it's the least I can do. If someone's going to make something and really believe and support our cause, it's just a small little way to say thank you.
Do you have a location for them to go to, or are they still like how quickly
Oh,
do you
I've
disperse these?
donated so many of them already. Like in the
Wow.
last week or
They're
two,
already
I've
doing
already
good.
donated hundreds to a food pantry. I went to a low income senior center last week and I donated 150 there. So I would say a majority of them have already been donated. But, I already have a place just reached out to me right before our interview that they want a box of soap sacks. So I'm going to pop a bunch out. It's a food pantry up in North Jersey. I'm in New Jersey here. So I'll send a box. So yeah, they'll definitely be accounted for within the next week. So, and I'm sure well received and loved by people who get them.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So you shared your number and now I'm going to
Yes.
share
What's your
mine. So
number?
the one thing, and this number is obviously going to, it's not on point because I'm sure there's a lot of people that donated their soap sacks and did not fill out the form.
Yeah,
So
that's
this number
possible.
I'm sure is
Sure.
actually bigger than what was documented. If are those people that filled out the form to let me know that they donated a certain number of sacks locally, came out to a total of 879 donated soap sacks
Wow.
that were
That did
donated
them.
locally. So we're
That's
going to add,
amazing.
I
So
know, I was not
my
like, there were
total
some
of
people
like
that donated 100 soap sacks. I'm like, you made, wow.
actually, we got two donations of people from 100 each to me, but somebody to fill that with 100 bars of soap and donate, that's amazing. So the total's like just shy of 1950. Oh my
Yeah.
God,
I'm like,
that's fabulous.
so,
Oh
I
my
mean,
gosh, you
that's,
have the best followers ever.
they're amazing. Like I
Yeah.
reach out to these people, they love to give, they love to have purpose, they love to help. And I mean, I can't thank all of my followers and everyone who participated in that because you guys within a 30-day period or just over a month, we were able to accomplish almost 2,000 soap sacks and get those donated and put out into the world to make this world a better
I
place.
am like so happy. I can't even
Right.
believe it. They are going to
So,
be so
right.
appreciated.
I know that I had that really high goal. I said 5,000 and I had reason, but I was like, I think it's achievable. I think so. But I get that my time frame was a bit tight with
Yes, I
people actually
know.
being able, everyone has their busy lives and
Right.
what we were all able to accomplish and get accomplished. But still, that's almost 50% of
Yeah.
Michael.
Well, that's true. And I'm saying if it
So,
had been like a 3-month campaign, there's no way that you wouldn't have reached that. Because, you know,
oh,
people have to go, not everybody has cotton or cotton blend yarns. They had to go purchase that because
yes.
we said that you couldn't use acrylic. So, that would be a couple of days. But who knows? I'm going to the post office today. There still might be some lingering ones, depending on where people come from. I'm on the East Coast. Still might
Right.
be some other ones coming through, which I'll let you know about, of course.
Oh, that's so awesome. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh. So I had so much fun with your campaign. Thank you
I
so
had
much
so much
for
fun with it
allowing me to
too.
be a part of this and getting to know you. You're an amazing person in general, on top of how amazing your campaign is. But
Thank you.
there's
Thank
so
you
many things
so
I love about this campaign. One, the need is so high. Two, it's a
much.
small project, so it works
Right,
up really quickly.
right,
Three, it gives us that quick win
right,
endorphin effect where
right.
like we feel really
Exactly.
good and feel really happy. And then we're also it gives us purpose because we are helping people. And so there's so many wins. There's so many amazing things with this charity. And anyone that is just seeing this for the first time, they're like, oh, I missed the campaign.
Right.
Oh no, the need is out there. The need is
Oh, no,
so
no,
high.
it's
The need
always,
is
it's
forever
ongoing.
ongoing.
Yes, yes.
So please, if you would like to continue to donate soap sacks, continue to make soap sacks and donate them to Stacy. I'm sure she would love to get
Yes,
everything that you want to donate, and then also look locally and helping your own community. Again, it shocked me at
good.
how high the need is and how people like Stacy and my friend Kendra will donate hundreds of like 150 soap sacks a week, and the need is still like, oh, we need more. Oh, we
Yeah,
need more. And it's like,
absolutely.
what?
Because a lot of these
So
food pantries, they might get 200 clients a week. So, it's wonderful to donate any amount, but there's a constant flow. And, obviously a bar of soap isn't going to last 6 months. So there is always a need. And like we've always said, if they don't use the soap sack as a washcloth or to store their soap, we treat it as like a gift pouch
yeah.
so that, it's a more personal way of giving soap. And that's how some people, they're just, and I've said this, they look at the tag. And for those people that sent the soap sacks that didn't have a tag on them, which is fine, I attached a tag so that it had this heartfelt message. So everybody knows it was made with love when they, so there is a need. And like I've said to you, places that surprised me, college, somebody just posted on our website that they donated to a local university. And they said 1/3 of their student enrollment are food insecure.
What?
1/3, and this is in a very it's in New Jersey. I don't want to say which university,
Sure.
but I was shocked. So if 1/3 are food insecure and they're using their food pantry, if using the food pantry to supplement, obviously they're going to love the soap sacks. So there's a need everywhere. I mean, I was shocked. Like I said, most universities, colleges have food pantries. The need is so great. And for people that don't know where to donate, I mean, look, all you really need to do is look at food pantries in my community, and you will see so many: Salvation Army, United Way, veteran clinics. Somebody just donated a box of 50 red, white, and blue soap sacks, and I'm going to be going next week to a neighboring county. They have a veteran clinic, and I'm going to donate them all.
Oh my gosh.
So the need is, there's such a need, but I would hope that people would continue to make them, either donate them locally with soap or send them to us. I would just love that. I really would, because some people say it's a really good addiction to make them, a healthy addiction.
I get it. I
Yeah.
understand. Like I
And
see that.
you sent a package of them, so I
I
thank you
did.
for your soap
Yes.
sacks.
Oh
Um,
gosh. And I didn't even, it's funny because I didn't even get a chance to use up all of my cotton yarn because I have so many different things going, but I'm like, I still have yarn that I need to use up. And now I at least know what I can designate, like use that yarn towards. So
yes,
it just really
exactly.
did.
Yeah, those were beautiful, and the pattern, I loved it.
I actually used a couple of yours. I
Yeah.
looked through your website and because your website has a couple examples of patterns,
Mm,
and some of
right.
them I was like the dragonfly one was one that surprised me. So if you
Yeah,
like dragonflies, there's actually a
I do.
dragonfly soap sack
There
pattern
is. There's the.
located on the Soap Sack Foundation or
I know.
Soap
Isn't
Sack
that so
website.
cool? We have some, I mean, if any of your volunteers want to design a pattern, I mean, it would be free. They could email that to me at Stacy@soapsacks.com,
Oh,
Stacy,
I love that.
Stacy, and we'll upload it onto the website. Yeah, we want to have like a lot of varieties. But I mean, of course, we said you don't have to use any of those patterns as long as it has a loop, a drawstring, or a drawstring, a box of soap could fit in it, and it's with cotton or cotton blend yarn. That's it. Those are the only rules, and to have fun and enjoy doing them.
Of
That's
course.
it. Nothing else nothing else matters. We try to make it super easy for people to make a difference.
So Stacy, do you have any events coming up or any more awareness drawing to get the word out about the SAC Foundation? Because I
Yes,
would love for
lots of
your foundation to just be like shouted out and for so many people to know that you even exist. So what are you
yeah.
doing for future awareness?
Right. Okay. So I have two events this summer. They're Lava Love, which is a mobile shower unit. They're doing two huge events at two convention centers in New Jersey. So I'm going to be bringing probably minimum 500 soap sacks to that. And so I have that coming up. There's a local, I live in the neighboring town is having this local artisan fair, and I'm setting up a table to make more awareness. But one of our SAC volunteers contacted me yesterday. She lives in Green Bay, and she posted about donating tomorrow at a food pantry, and Channel 4 News is going to be like featuring her and interviewing her. It's so exciting. So
Oh,
she's really
cool.
thrilled. But I'm always looking for ways to promote SAC. So that's another thing I wanted to make aware to your followers. If anybody has any ideas how I can promote, because I'm always trying to inspire new people, which is why I was super excited about this campaign. So if you know of anybody or you have any ideas for me, suggestions, please email me, because I just, it's just something I'm so passionate about. So those are coming up, but I'm just always donating. So those are like the big events. And then of course, I'm going to be doing the Pittsburgh Creative Arts Festival in August again, which is, yes, the third year I'm being the featured nonprofit, and that's a huge event. Yes, I'm very excited. Are you excited about the Pittsburgh
I'm
Creative
very
Arts
excited.
Festival?
Okay, so we gotta we gotta drop a bomb here.
Yes, you
We
do.
gotta announce this a little bit. So I was talking with Stacy, and she was talking about the Pittsburgh Creative Arts Festival, and apparently Stacy has connections with the person that is in charge of the Pittsburgh
Yes,
Creative
Laura
Arts
Regan.
Festival.
Yes.
And she introduced me to Laura. And now I am going to be teaching a class and giving 2 talks at the Pittsburgh Creative Arts
Yes.
Festival at the end of August. If you would like to personally meet both me and Stacy, because we're probably going to be hanging out a lot.
Yes, we are.
In person at the Pittsburgh Creative Arts Festival. It's August 24th through, let's see, Thursday, 24th, 25th, 26th, like 27th. So
Right.
it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yes,
So come join us,
absolutely.
come say hi. There's gonna
Yes.
be booths and everything. It's going to be a whole thing.
It's
And
a great event, a really great
I'm very
event. And
excited
what we're
about it.
doing the Sunday, which I don't know if you're going to be there for the Sunday, we're
Won't be
having a
Sunday.
stitch and pitch at the Pittsburgh Pirates PNC Park, where people are going to be making soap sacks, watching the Pittsburgh Pirates baseball game. This is the second year we're doing that. That's thrilling. So I know I can't wait to meet you in person.
I am so thrilled. We're going to be talking the whole time, I'm sure.
Yes,
And working on
I
soap
know.
sacks, because you have your booth will have people just working on soap sacks there at the event, which I
Yes,
think
they
is
are.
awesome.
Yep. And
So
some
awesome.
people have already made them in advance. And so they bring them, people get soap, they donate it. And then at the end of the 3-day festival, then I donate soap sacks throughout the Pittsburgh community. So,
Okay,
which
so it sounds like you're busy.
and I love
It sounds like
every
you're pretty busy.
single moment of it. I really do. I love every moment. Matter of fact, right after this, I'm going to a new knitting crochet group at a local library. And I had never been. They just started what they're calling Warm Hugs group. And I am bringing soap sacks to make and telling everybody about this important mission that SAC.
I love it. Well, everyone, thank you so much for watching
Thank
this
you,
reveal
thank
video.
you, thank
But
you.
on top of that, it sounds like Stacey's got some big things where she needs to donate 500 soap sacks. So we need to continue to support and show her love. So please continue to make your soap sacks, continue to donate to the Soap Sack Foundation. And remember that this is not end done, it's over kind of thing. This is forever ongoing, year round.
Ongoing.
So let's
And-
keep supporting the Soap Sack Foundation. And thank you so much for your time
And thank you
letting us have this connection with your charity. I look forward to our next campaign together.
Yes. And thank you again, everybody. I'm just so appreciative. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.